Dust management on the job site can be a real challenge. Not anymore. Introducing the MAKITA XtractVac, setting a new standard in portable commercial vacuums, delivering performance, efficiency, versatility, and durability. The efficient 12-amp motor generates 135 CFM of suction power, but with lower noise at only 59 decibels. The automatic filter cleaning system with the blowback feature is timed at set intervals to maintain filter performance for longer filter life. It weighs only 27 pounds and has variable speed with an anti-static hose, so the XtractVac is ready for a full range of applications. With a rugged onboard tool-activated outlet, wide-set urethane wheels and steel casters, you get one durable vacuum. XtractVac by MAKITA. More and more users are asking for concrete dust extraction solutions. The Total XtractVac system by MAKITA gives you a concrete dust extracting solution engineered to reduce the amount of concrete dust on the job site. With the XtractVac tool attachments, users can reduce the amount of concrete dust created when drilling, chipping, surfacing, cutting, and planing. Simply mount the attachment on the tool, connect to the vacuum, and go to work. The powerful 12-amp motor and 135 CFM of suction provides plenty of power to pull concrete dust from the surface. Reduce the concrete dust on your job site now. XtractVac by MAKITA. More work means more dust. Introducing the MAKITA XtractVac, setting a new standard in dust management for woodworkers. The XtractVac is equipped with over 24 feet of cord, an onboard tool-activated outlet, and a 16-foot anti-static hose for maximum reach and suction performance. With a powerful 12-amp motor and 135 CFM of suction, the XtractVac is engineered for more efficient dust removal. The XtractVac is ideal for woodworkers because it's compatible with sanders, miter saws, routers, jigsaws, plate joiners, and more. Equipped with the efficient nano main filters capture more dust for a cleaner work environment. Get the tool you need to battle dust on the job site and in your workshop.